Hello IG Garage family, if your scanner is showing the P242d code, don't ignore it. Because this code is related to your vehicle's exhaust gas temperature sensor, also known as the EGT sensor. And if left unresolved, it can interrupt DPF regeneration, increase exhaust emissions, reduce engine performance, and eventually damage expensive exhaust system components. What does P242d mean? P242d stands for Exhaust Gas Temperature Sensor Circuit High, Bank 1 Sensor 3. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the voltage signal from Exhaust Gas Temperature Sensor 3 on Bank 1 is higher than the normal operating range. The exhaust gas temperature sensor continuously monitors the temperature of the exhaust gases. The ECU relies on this information to control diesel particulate filter regeneration, protect the catalytic converter, and optimize emissions. If the sensor reports an excessively high voltage or unrealistic temperature reading, the ECU cannot accurately control the exhaust after treatment system and stores the P242d trouble code. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P242d, you may notice: check engine light on, DPF warning light, reduced engine performance, poor fuel economy, frequent or failed DPF regeneration, higher exhaust emissions, loss of engine power. And on many diesel vehicles, the engine may enter limp mode to protect the exhaust system. In some cases, the cooling fan may also run longer than normal because the ECU believes the exhaust temperature is too high. Sensor location. Now let's talk about location. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine that contains cylinder number 1. Sensor 3 is typically installed after the diesel particulate filter or after the catalytic converter, depending on the vehicle manufacturer. It is threaded into the exhaust pipe and connected to the ECU through an electrical connector and wiring harness. Since it operates in an extremely hot environment, both the sensor and its wiring are exposed to constant heat, vibration, moisture, and road debris. The most common causes of P242d include: faulty exhaust gas temperature sensor, short to battery voltage in the signal circuit, damaged or melted wiring harness, loose or corroded electrical connectors, water intrusion in the connector, faulty DPF regeneration system, exhaust system damage, or ECU problems in rare cases. A failed EGT sensor or a short 2-voltage condition is one of the most common reasons for this code. Quick diagnosis: start by scanning for additional DPF or exhaust-related trouble codes. Monitor live exhaust temperature readings using a professional obd2 scanner. Compare sensor 3 readings with the other exhaust temperature sensors. Inspect the wiring harness for damaged insulation or exposed wires. Check the connector for corrosion, moisture, or loose terminals. Measure the sensor voltage and resistance using a digital multimeter, and inspect the exhaust system for leaks or physical damage. How to fix P242d: repair damaged wiring. Repair any short 2-voltage condition, clean or replace corroded connectors. Replace the faulty exhaust gas temperature sensor if testing confirms failure. Repair any exhaust system damage, clear the code, and perform a complete road test while monitoring live exhaust temperature data to ensure the repair is successful. Final result: fixing P242d will restore accurate exhaust temperature monitoring, allow proper DPF regeneration, reduce harmful exhaust emissions, improve engine performance, protect the diesel particulate filter and catalytic converter, and help your vehicle run smoothly and efficiently again. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.